Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I want to invite you to our launch party, our launch special for Video Freedom, our brand new app and video builder specifically for video marketers and agencies. Now, every video that you can create with Video Freedom is proven to be sold on freelance sites and to clients, right? We only specialize in videos where we know that you can sell them immediately, literally in minutes, on freelance sites or to clients, okay? Now, for example, a couple of videos that you can create with Video Freedom are explainer videos, but really cutting edge, slick, nice explainer videos with amazing music. You can edit them, customize them quickly and easily, right? We have slideshow videos. We have promo animated videos that you can do with video ads, social media posts. We have videos specifically for local businesses that you can customize, electricians, pest control, spas, restaurants, gyms, so that you can sell them immediately, right? CrossFit gyms, any niche that you can think of, chiropractors and so forth, right? So with Video Freedom, our app builder is specifically only for agencies and video marketers that want to sell these videos, right? They're proven to be sold. You can customize them very quickly. On the webinar, I'm going to give you a full demo of the software. It's incredibly easy to use. When I say you only need 3 steps, I mean that you really just need 3 steps. You will see it in the demo, right? You log in, you pick the template for your client, you customize it, add our royalty-free music, and you add your client's call to action, click render, and within 60 to 90 seconds, you have a slick logo, animation, client video, explainer video that you can sell immediately on Fiverr, any other freelance sites, or directly to your clients, right? So there's no random videos in here. Each video is meant to be sold. Okay, now on the webinar, again, it's going to be a special deal. This webinar is happening on Friday, this Friday, okay, at 10 a.m. Eastern time. And we're going to have an early bird special during the 4th of July weekend, right? This is a special specifically for the 4th of July weekend where you get a very low price. You can get in, you can grab the upgrades as a discount as well, and you get access obviously to Video Freedom, which is our brand new app where you can customize all these videos, right? So it's happening this Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern time. I'm going to be on the call live. I'm going to walk you through the demo and everything else, right? Below this video, I'm going to upload a couple of examples for you so that you can see them. Maybe I'm going to upload a quick short demo there as well, but then on the webinar, we do the full walkthrough. You can ask any questions. We're going to have a special way you can get all of the upgrades included at a very big discount as well. There's going to be some bonuses and all the good stuff on the webinar, right? So please make sure and register for the webinar right now. Below this video, there should be a link. You just put your name and email and you're going to be registered. You're going to get some reminder emails, and then you want to show up about 9:55 on Friday before, you know, the craziness happens on the weekend. So show up on Friday, and then we're going to offer this at a very special deal, right? So that's pretty much it. This is great for agencies. This is great for video marketers, for online marketers. You can create these videos and sell them for any client. You know, maybe you're helping influencers, maybe you're helping someone who has a e-commerce store, maybe you're helping actual local businesses, right? Everyone needs videos. There's YouTube videos, there's video ads, there's video SEO, there's blog posts and social media, there's Instagram videos that you can help your clients with. There's so many ways here to generate revenue with this, right? And that's why we created Video Freedom, the first ever video app specifically with videos that are meant to be sold. So go ahead right now, take action right now, click on the link below, register for the webinar, and I can't wait to see you on the webinar. Thank you so much for your time. Talk soon.